Welcome to this International Climate Initiative Small Grants tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through using the revenue template for your funding application. First, you'll see three drop-down menus at the top. In field B3, select the starting month of your financial year. In field C3, select the most recent year you are reporting on. In field E3, choose the currency of your financial statements. The exchange rate will be calculated automatically. Next, in fields C7 to C9, enter your organization's total revenue for the year. This includes all income, restricted, unrestricted, and other sources. In the matching fields D7 to D9, type in the page numbers from your submitted financial statements where these amounts can be verified. The template also includes built-in checks. In box B12, you'll see if your average annual revenue is too low, below 60,000, or too high, above 500,000. In field F11, you'll find your maximum eligible budget volume, up to 200,000. This section will also alert you if your revenue does not meet the eligibility range. Please remember, use the template exactly as provided, do not modify it. If you have issues completing the form, contact us at IKI-Small-Grants@GIZ.de and we'll support you. And finally, make sure you submit financial statements for all 3 years with your application. Thank you, and good luck with your funding submission.